The first step is to open the Ubuntu terminal and apply sudo rights. Type the following command, then enter the system's user password. Now run the following commands to update the index and repository. Now you have to run the following apt command and it will automatically install the PHP along with commonly used extensions in the Ubuntu system. This is the final step where we will now check if PHP is installed or not. For this, you will simply have to run the following command. First step is to install Software Properties Common. This helps us in the management of the software and its resources. So first, we will have to install this package. For this, run the following command. Now we will have to add ondrej/php-ppa, which is used to provide different versions of PHP to Ubuntu. Just execute the following command. Now you can install any version of the PHP that you want. Make sure that you verify that the version does exist and that there are no typos.